Hello guys, so today I'm super excited to share it with you all my tips on how to pay later in Shopee. So when you want to buy something or something important but sometimes need a little extra time to pay, then you're in the right place. But before we move on, let us know first what is pay later. So pay later, it is a feature wherein qualified buyers have the option to buy now and pay later or apply for an installment loan of up to 12 months for their Shopee purchases. Pay later has a processing fee of 0 to 2% per transaction amount and monthly interest ranges from 1 to 5% for items. First things first, open up your Shopee app or website and start adding all the items you want to add to your cart. Now, here comes the magic, the pay later option. This feature allows you to split your payment into smaller, more manageable chunks so you can shop now and pay later. It's a total game changer, especially when you spot that must-have item but payday is still a few days away. So kung ikaw ay eligible para sa pay later, maaari mo itong gamitin pangbayad ng inyong mga order pagkatapos mo itong i-activate sa iyong Shopee app. So there are different payment options or payment plans to choose from depending on your budget and needs. So whether you want spread the cost over a few weeks or months, Shopee has got you covered. Plus, the best part is that there's usually little to no interest, so you're not paying extra just for the convenience. So tandaan na siguraduhin i-check kung tama ang payment plan, buy now pay later, installment bago mag-check out dahil hindi mo na ito mababago kapag na-order mo na. Ayun pa man, hinihikayat na magbayad ng inyong pay later bills bago ang due date. So there you have it folks, my top tips on how to pay later in Shopee. It's a total game changer for all of us who sometimes need a little flexibility with our payments. So thanks for watching and happy shopping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. So bye for now.